I've listened to the album. It's an obvious case album, a flop album. Kalanga Yupin. Ashimbamberi so Kalanga Yupin. Maybe the guy was a mokta style shwani. Asta si tererene but style shinga taisho. And I'm sure that I'm going to like a Conspicuous Talents TV home of talent and analysis under the banner of Conspicuous Media. I tlangi na genge. I will repeat that again. I tlangi na genge. Thank you so much for those who have already subscribed. And then when you come as a subscriber, if you want to subscriber. So, namtani abula hii Dumisani Baloi. Album Dimani Betanua Shkongeno. So currently it's like it's the biggest thing Kabatsonga Lishingale Amilungun Yavan. Hence I said it's the biggest thing Kankawashis Kabatsonga. Cause Kalanga it's like Okobulabru you are left, right and center. So why Yabula Baloi? And then I've listened to the album. It's an obvious case album, a flop album. Kalanga Yupin. Ashimbamberi so Kalanga Yupin. Maybe the guy was a mokta style shwani. Asta si tererene but style shinga taisho Kalanga Yupin. However, the instruments they're good. Shikwana kahle chayani and everything, but voice ya Kalanga na chayani ay hlangane hello. Kalanga yahala, the instrument yahala indlela. So however Kalanga managed to score an interview na Solmakamu Namandla Gengrikani, which is good. How did Kalanga score his interview Namandla Gengrikani na Solmakamu? The numbers. Because in most of the cases, look, and interviews like you cannot go and do an interview with someone without numbers. Because on a demand, there is no need for you to do such things. So however, Kalanga ended those interviews because he has numbers. And the number tako yung win. Okay, so let's now okay, blah show you go Kalanga he exposes something kumbe you message one hand. But only you are capable of supporting, but you don't want to support your content creators, especially musicians. You are capable of supporting, but you don't want to support them. Why I'm saying this? It's because Kalanga gained exposure not because you were supporting him, because American Flikin, American Coin and everything, and then that's how Kalanga got exposure. To a point where Kalanga feels like he nailed it. Okay, interview logo say. When you were busy sharing his videos, cut WhatsApp, laughing, Facebook, laughing, some even went to Twitter laughing to him. Your opinion and everything, but that she ended up one with another interested. Who is this guy? What's happening with this guy? So when much quarter seketela, but for example, guys can release good albums, good projects. If the project is good, it doesn't get a lot of exposure. You don't promote. You don't promote such things. But as soon as the mentor opinion, that's where you come in. And just wow. So I feel like this project, it's like some sort of because like you guys can support and the artist song fika mainstream. Okay, I think you got a walk or you got a banana. Mingarabano was like a rim. And the music. Shuman Shashli Shinkango party Kakusa rim. Shinganashi rim rim. So you push the Kalanga, we are pushing Kalanga, and indeed you manage to push him You go to YouTube, you check Kalanga's like his songs, they're getting numbers more than some of the projects that were released before he released his project. So mina I tshikeni moya wo khwita hi supporta the artist ka hina. Kalanga, you're not supporting him. Kalanga amiri ku ngihlekeni, and then that those who saw an opportunity there. As you know, it's like online is all about numbers. Whether people hate you or love you, online is all about numbers. When you're online, it's all about numbers. Even now, it's like I've uploaded this video. Some are here just to check what am I going to say, but they don't really care about the content that I provide. They just here to confirm, it's like, or to check. So even now, it's not like you love him, but you just want to find out. It's like you flow up, hence you even follow. It's like someone did an interview with Kalanga and someone did this. Just because, not just because how good is he, but the flop nothing. So hence I said she's expose ninyanya kubula ku genge because we wasn't interested in genge but she expose moyo wo kuhita kamwe ya Vatsonga. We are good at criticizing. I don't want to talk about Gyan than supporting. That's what I'm saying. We are good at criticizing than supporting. Ikahle ka ku tseketsela ku tlula ku seketela. Good. Ikahle ka ku tseketsela ku tlula ku seketela. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed, please kindly subscribe. Thank you so much.